In this video, we will talk about how to find percent of a number and use that to determine the discount or the sale price. We have two steps we're going to use. The first step is to find the percent of a number. So my total price is $400. So I would need to write X over 400, and my percent is 25%. So I would write 25 out of 100. My next step would be to cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply 400 times 25. 400 times 25 is going to give me 10,000. Next, I will need to take 10,000 and divide it by 100. 10,000 divided by 100 is the same thing as taking off two zeros. So that's going to give me 100. So that would be my step one of finding percent of a number. Next, step two says to subtract your answer to the original price. So I'm going to subtract this 100 from my original price of 400. 400 minus 100 gives me 300. So the price of the TV on sale is $300.